Imagine you've just invested your hard-earned money into Raiz, hoping for a brighter financial future. But before you can start reaping the rewards, you need to verify your account. It might seem like a small step, but it's a crucial one that ensures the security of your funds. So, how do you verify your Raiz account? Let's dive in. Step 1. Check your email. The first step in verifying your Raiz account is to check your email inbox. Raiz will send you a verification email shortly after you sign up. This email will contain a unique verification link. Step 2. Click the verification link. Once you've found the verification email, click on the verification link. This will take you to a page where you can confirm your email address. Step 3. Enter your personal information. On the verification page, you'll be asked to enter some personal information. This might include your full name, date of birth, and address. Make sure to enter this information accurately to avoid any delays in the verification process. Step 4. Upload identification documents. The next step is to upload identification documents. Raiz will require you to upload copies of your identification documents, such as a passport or driver's license. These documents will be used to verify your identity and ensure that you're who you say you are. Step 5. Complete the face verification. In addition to uploading identification documents, Raiz may also require you to complete a face verification. This involves taking a selfie and comparing it to a photo on your identification document. This is an extra security measure to prevent fraud. Step 6. Wait for verification. Once you've completed all the necessary steps, you'll need to wait for Raiz to verify your account. The verification process can take a few days, but in most cases, it should be completed within 24 hours. Troubleshooting tips. If you're having trouble verifying your Raiz account, here are a few troubleshooting tips. Check your email spam folder. The verification email might have been accidentally marked as spam. Make sure your identification documents are clear and legible. If the documents are blurry or difficult to read, Raiz may have trouble verifying them. Contact Raiz customer support. If you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to reach out to Raiz customer support for assistance. Verifying your Raiz account is a simple process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By following these steps, you can ensure the security of your funds and start investing with confidence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.